Number 1. Bibi Ka Maqbara. If you still think only Taj Mahal is the ultimate symbol of love, you must visit Bibi Ka Maqbara, one of the historic places that must be visited while in Aurangabad. Though not as huge and popular like the Taj, this historic monument also symbolizes the love of the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb for his wife Dilras Banu Begum. Built on an elevated platform, it is guarded by four minarets along its four corners and can be reached by a series of steps from three different sides. Number 2. Aurangabad Caves. The Aurangabad Caves are 12 rock-cut Buddhist shrines located on a hill running roughly east to west close to the city of Aurangabad, Maharashtra. The first reference to the Aurangabad Caves is in the Great Chatya of Kanheri Caves. The Aurangabad Caves were dug out of comparatively soft basalt rock during the 6th and 7th century. The caves are divided into three separate groups depending on their location. These are usually called the Western group with caves 1 to 5, the Eastern group with caves 6 to 9, and a Northern cluster with the unfinished caves 10 to 12. Number 3. Daulatabad Fort. One of the most commanding and undefeatable forts in the entire country, Daulatabad Fort in Daulatabad, or Devagiri as it was known earlier, is among the must-visit places near Aurangabad. Around 11 km northwest of Aurangabad, this glorious fortress stands strong on a conical hill that stands around 200 meters above the sea level. Looking back into the history of the fort, you will realize its importance and strength. Compared to the other forts within or far from the region, the defense of Daulatabad Fort was very strong. Number 4. Siddharth Garden and Zoo. One of those Aurangabad tourist places that promise to turn an ordinary day into a delightful one. Siddharth Garden and Zoo is an ideal place to visit with family. It is a landscaped garden replete with a large variety of flowering plants and trees, an aquarium, and unlike the usual gardens, a zoo all in all, a favorite weekend spot for locals. Number 5. Salim Ali Lake. If you prefer calm places with scenic beauty over bustling markets and touristy sites, Salim Ali Lake is one of the best tourist places in Aurangabad for you. Fringed with lush green vegetation, this large water body is owing to its serene aura, a nature lover's delight where one could listen to uninterrupted music of nature. Number 6. Chhatrapati Shivaji Museum. One of the best places to visit in Aurangabad is Chhatrapati Shivaji Museum, which is dedicated to the fearless legendary Maratha warrior Chhatrapati Shivaji's life and contribution. The museum has 6 halls for exhibition where multiple historically significant things are on display. The galleries also have several old pictures of the forts that Shivaji conquered and built during his lifetime. Number 7. H2O Water Park. H2O Water Park is the only water park in Aurangabad which spans across 14 acres of land. This park is covered with green vegetation and palm trees which add to the beauty of the park. No matter what age you are, this park has everything for every age group. Swimming pool for kids as well as adults, rain dance floors, 40 feet drop slide, frog and crocodile rides, tube rides and whatnot. Number 8. Himayat Bagh. Himayat Bagh is a 17th century garden that now houses the Fruit Research Station and Nursery. It is located near Delhi Gate in Roza Bagh area of Aurangabad. It is a sprawling complex spread over 300 acres, naturally green, and in the olden days, it was known as the Mughal Garden. Number 9. Grineshwar Temple. An important pilgrimage for the Hindus, this ancient temple is located in a quaint hamlet that is around 30 kilometers from Aurangabad and also lies within the limits of the historic Ellora Caves. A major name in the list of tourist places near Aurangabad, the temple is considered as a pious destination by the Hindu devotees. It is also said that it is the last or the 12th Jyotirlinga on earth. Number 10. Panchaki Historical Place. Panchaki, known as the water mill, this monument is located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Displays the scientific thought process put in medieval Indian culture. It was designed to generate energy via water brought down from a spring on a mountain. The building attached to the Dargah of Baba Shah Musafir, a Sufi saint, is located in the garden near the Mahmud Darwaza and consists of a mosque, a madrasa, a kacheri, a minister house, a sarai and houses of zananas. Hope you liked this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.